LinkedIn got you down? Spending all that time but seeing zero results? You're definitely not alone. Building the right audience, it's frustrating. Posting content and hearing crickets, maddening. And let's not even start on lead generation. Turning connections into clients feels like a pipe dream. We get it. LinkedIn should work for you, not the other way around. But what if there was a smarter, faster, and more effective way to grow your LinkedIn presence on autopilot? Introducing SmartLinked Pro, the all-new LinkedIn automation tool designed to save you time, boost engagement, and generate real business opportunities effortlessly. With SmartLinked Pro, you can automate connection requests to target the right people so you build an audience that actually matters. Engage effortlessly, intelligent auto-commenting and messaging. Keep your profile active even when you're offline. Increase visibility. Our smart scheduling system ensures your posts get maximum reach without fighting the LinkedIn algorithm. Turn connections into leads. AI-powered follow-ups nurture relationships on autopilot, so you never miss an opportunity. Save hours every week. Focus on growing your business while SmartLinked Pro handles your LinkedIn strategy. It's time to stop wasting hours and start seeing real results. The LinkedIn game has changed. Are you ready to win? Try SmartLinked Pro today. Boost your LinkedIn success effortlessly. Click the link below and get started now. https://smartlinkedpro.com